it's good to see more, you know, a mix in the heritage now of the royal family. But I think in the long term, it's always the royals and their behaviour and their stiff upper lip. I think that'll always trump anything else.
Well, the royal family has got quite a history of having relationships with actresses and people that are outside the normal aristocracy. So, no, I think it's fine.
I think it's great. I think she'll give a whole new, refreshing aspect to it all. And she'll be familiar with how to cope with
American-British relationships.
Yes.
She's not like infamous or anything. She hasn't had like bad press or anything. So I think it'll be fine.
Anything that brings something that looks like diversity into the royal family is good.